This is Casey Jones, 1950 on YouTube again. This is part 2 of redoing the lighting on the new Bowser nickel plate RS3. Before I showed you, I had rewired the Mars light separately from the headlight. They're parallel wired from the factory. And in order to put that on a separate function key, that's what you have to do. As you can see, after redoing that before, in the first part, it was showing a beacon pattern where it would go off in between the oscillations. Now I've reprogrammed it on the Lok-Programmer, and that's what I've got. I've got an oscillating Mars light, although I am not that crazy about the Lok Mars light pattern. To me, it still doesn't look quite right, and I don't know why this is, but anyway, it looks too slow or whatever. It doesn't really throw the figure 8 pattern either, but it looks better than having the beacon, lighting on there on that Mars light instead. So anyway, if you have questions how to do it, email me, CaseyJones1950 at yahoo.com.